So using the same pen, we are going to give some rendering on the cups. Make sure you have something in the base of your paper, either 3-4 more art sheets or a newspaper. Now from the right hand corner, as you can see in the reference is darker, that's how I've given small checks, which is called as cross hatching. And even here, so wherever I see very dark areas, I do cross hatching, and medium rendering areas I just add these lines and make the checks far away, and certain places I just keep these small lines popping out called as hatching. And over here I'm just drawing zigzag lines both ways, which looks like cross hatching, but it's much more easier just drawing zigzag lines. And over here I just did hatching to show that medium tone of color. And just for information, I would like you to know that I have increased the speed of all my videos that I've posted, so then you don't have to look at very lengthy videos. So that's not the speed that I have personally worked on. So yours will also be indeed slower than what you just see right now. So wherever there is a lighter shade, we leave that paper white, and wherever there is the darkest shade, we do cross hatching really close, and then there's a medium shade, we do cross hatching far away or just slanting lines to and call it hatching. Let's begin with the saucers. So the darkness is on the other side and the lightness is on the other side because of the depth of the saucer is different from that of the cup. So as you can see in the reference, now very carefully we have drawn so many lines, leaving the first rim. I'm going to color the second rim completely black, giving slanting lines. I'm going to make it really dark. Again, leaving one band white, I'm going to go ahead and color the third band black. And then below it, I have 2 more bands. I've drawn one line lesser. So in my last band, I'm going to shade it half into black. So in between the rim of the saucers are seen as the lighter shades.